play button, speaker, recording button, playback mode, volume, switch, USB charging, turn on the product switch, record audio, press R times continuously beep to enter the recording.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Press E time to hear beep beep to stop recording. Play the audio.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Turn on the product switch. Turn on the Bluetooth. Connection name JR1656. Press and hold for a second beep to enter the recording. Stop recording. Press E time to hear beep beep to stop the recording. Play the audio. Then connect it to the computer with USB Type-C cable. Eject hard drive. Open the hard drive. Delete the default audio file. Adding a new audio file. Play the audio.
The night comes around, that's the time.
Adjust the volume.